Gas station stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile story and we're living it to last. From the city of lights to the country sky.
What?
So yung mga tropits, ito na yung big bus namin na kulay orange. Let's go! Ito na yung tour bus namin. Let's go mga katropa pits, let's go! Second day namin dito, or first day, second day. And Zondi Boy! Let's go! Dahil lang yung bit-bit ito ah. Let's go baby!
Buti na lang talaga may separate bus tayo.
Itong sarili bus?
Dito tayo, medyo maharap tayo.
Ganda sa ating bus to.
Mas maganda yung bus natin kasi sa bus nila.
Let's go baby! Dito tayo bandabi man! Dito ano tayo? Dito.
Okay.
Saan ba?
Saan kayo?
Wow, we have our own bus. Sa Chan.
Let's go baby!
Tingin-tingin sa...
Uy, ate talaga, buti na lang.
Oh, yeah. Kasi hindi ang gulo-gulo natin.
Ito yung bus.
Gulo-gulo nga nila. Ang dami nila.
Gusto nyo ka lumipat ng konti yung iba.
Wag na.
Saan tayo, Dana?
Dito na!
Nasa unahan tayo.
Huwag kayo sa unahan kasi hindi mo makikita si tour guide.
Tour
Go
guide?
baby! Let's go bus! Ang laki ng bus. Laki ng bus namin mga tropa. Ito yung pag-may-ari ko sa Taiwan bus. Laki ng bus. Let's go! Wow. Gift.
Sheshe.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Candy.
Yes, Candy!
Yeah, Candy. Yes.
Second day tour.
Yesterday, you just arrived here.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, and today is the second day in Taiwan. Yes. And today we went to the only the Pineapple Cake Museum. So today we are going to first we're going to the Shifen, yeah, for the transportation, we try to shorten this transportation time. So we go to Shifen. Okay, Shifen, we will release the Sky Lantern. Yeah, and yes, and then the
Paano ba ito?
waterfall.
Airdrop? Saan ba?
Yes, waterfall.
Okay,
And
na-open mo na
after
lang.
that, we will go to
Waterfalls in Shifen.
or you can see your itinerary or agenda that. Okay.
Waterfall and
The waterfall and release it. Oh,
Kumain ka na dyan, Charles?
Charles, samahan ka na dito.
Ay, walang kung dito kami pumunta.
Batanes ang harap dapat nito.
Siyempre, nasa kabilang dulo tayo.
Oo.
Malapit sa...
Ayun o, yung ayun o.
May mga nakalaot to.
Ay, sa may tripod ka. Ang nasa. Yan, di ko magalaw kamay mo dyan, son.
Itong nasa kaliwa na malapit sa atin parang sa...
Ay, son, meron palang tripod sa bahay, son. Gamitin.
Gas station stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile story and we're living it to last. From the city of lights to the country skies, we're all about the ride. With the music up loud and my best friends by my side. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile. With the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight. Gas station stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile story and we're living it to last. From the city lights to the country skies, we're all about the ride, with the music up loud and my best friends by my side. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile, with the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight.
But soon, when time comes, it's more thinner and thinner, and unfortunately, it will fall down.
Yeah, because the upper part is too
Heavy. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So she's still there waiting for all the tourists to take pictures with her. So she's on the second.
And we are lucky that we still
Yes, you are lucky.
we still see
She has
her.
been waiting for you thousands of years. Wow. Thousands of years. So all the rocks. And after we come out of the park, we'll go to the restaurant to have early lunch. And then we'll go to the Shiga waterfall in the Belize.
Okay.
Gas station stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile story and we're living it to last. From the city lights to the country skies, we're all about the ride, with the music up loud and my best friends by my side. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile, with the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight.
Baka mura mga crab dito.
Sana mag-uwi tayo.
Hindi, kahit bumili ka lang at paluto. Hindi mo naman kailangan iuwi. Kainin mo dito. Kainin mo na lang ng fresh.
Kailangan ko pa ng ano ba ako? I-partner ibigay?
Oo. Ah, crab! Oh,
King
crab!
crab.
Oh, king crab. Baka mamaya mura king crab dito.
Yung mga gabi, kunwari king crab lang.
Kung waring king crab lang ba yun?
Saan kinain yun?
Masarap seaweeds eh.
Crab, no? Lasang crab naman.
Crabs dito.
Hindi, sarap ng seaweeds kasi. Tsaka yung kanyang mga pangpalasa, yun ang masarap din. Ay, dado. Oh, dado. Ginawa talaga nila.
Oo, ginagawa talaga yan.
Para pang protection.
Ginawa talaga yan.
Para pang ano, no? Pang
alon.
pang breakwater.
Mababasag na maganda.
Meron tayo. May ganyan din yung nasa...
Gas station stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile story and we're living it to last. From the city lights to the country skies, we're all about the ride, with the music up loud and my best friends by my side. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile, with the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight.
Don't need to wait.
Ang kasama natin, no? Yan, no?
Ay! Di ba yung kasama natin?
Nauna, yan,
Or
Yeah, I have umbrella.
it's quite windy.
Windy. Oh, windy, sundi.
It's windy. It's okay. It's okay windy. It's
Malamig.
okay with us with the windy. But as long as it's not raining, no rain.
Oh, you are. Where you from? What you did. As long as you love me. Oh, kan masaglit kami. Inom lang ng water konti. May ganun mo nakabit.
I am sorry. Ikaw ba? Ako ba?
Yellow
I
is the
don't.
dead of this area. Yellow is the dead of this area.
Oh, fisherman's dish.
Water.
Umbrella ring.
Dala ito tubig.
Oh, hindi, dito na. Mabigat sa bag.
Sige, huwag na. Mainam na lang. Malamig naman.
Oo nga, naiinom ako. Meron akong ano pala, dapat pala yung pula akong binili ko sa Uniqlo Mase eh.
Hindi ka nagja-jacket. Malamig sa labas.
Meron ako doon, meron ako noon. Hindi, may lamig, mainit naman itong suot ko eh. naka short pa kayo, mas malaki.
Malamok.
Let's go!
Uy, madami pa lang ha. O, ayun lang mga
Ayun ba ito?
Ayun ang tayo mag-picture, oh.
King
Sa
crabs, oh.
Yung walo.
King crabs.
king crabs.
Tara, let's go.
Let's go. Ay, mamaya na lang. Ako magtutubig. Mabigat.
Asan nang ano?
Doon sa kanila.
Asan? Para.
Passport mo, ha?
Nandun kaya at kuya mo kayo. Bigay mo kayo. Nandun sa bag ko.
Ang liit kasi. Dapat, di ba kasya passport mo dyan? Kasya passport mo dyan. Dito, buwang yan bag na to. Oh.
Juno, wala naman yung balag na ako din eh. Diyan, sarado.
Nakasarado pa.
Nice and I go.
Please open the door.
Naku, ay naman na-lockdown first.
Na-lockdown yung door?
Nakalimutan daw yung susi doon sa hotel. Ayun.
Ito na. Automatic pala to, dalawa ka agad.
Ako malamig, is.
Wow! So windy! Woohoo! Grabe, sarap! Sarap, Son!
Oh, picture tayo.
Wow! 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 Kala kaya ha, kaya. Sige. May payong.
Paano? Mahangin. Hindi ka kaya na payong. Mabuti na lang nalik. Sabi nung ilegusak ko.
Ito na kami. First stop namin ngayon dito sa... Anong lugar kami?
Ano? Saan ba tayo?
Shimshong.
Ayan o.
Yeah. Dapat
Leo
tinakalong
Geo
Leo Geo Park. Leo Geo Park.
Yeah, that's the CR, so you can pick the CR first.
Okay, 5 piso daw, 5 piso. Pag nag-CR, 5 piso. Anong feeling, Boss Chard?
Freezing.
Parang malamig dito ah. Lakas ang hangin kasi. Open sea. Delikado dito sa ano, yung wave, ang tawag yan? Wave, ano ba? Yung tsunami kasi open sea. Yeah. Ano pa yata ng ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yan? Diyan.
Bibili tayong ticket dito.
May ticket pala dyan. So, syempre, pag first stop, hindi makalimutan ang picture muna, di ba? Picture. Me, isang lakad lang dyan, oh.
Stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile story and we're living it to last.